They're just talking to each other.
Should I try and communicate?
No.
Should I try and communicate back?
Dude, that thing is right there on the other side of the fence.
There's like 3 of them.
Can't see it. They were scratching at the fence at each other.
The dogs?
Yeah. Right there. It's right there.
I think I might see that back, like, on our fence or Bruce's fence? Our fence. I think it's over there now. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I do too. It's on the trail moving.
Where?
It's over there.
Wait,
It's over by the
I feel like it's.
I know, I feel like I see it
I feel
right
like
there.
it's in the green belt. I saw something moving.
I know, I saw it
Would they hurt our dogs?
Callie?
Our dogs.
Callie?
Kill the dogs and then.
Now, Callie could maybe stand for a few seconds. Like 10 seconds or so. Louis is dead. This is crazy.
Word. That's what I heard. They came running out because they were going crazy.
Could they jump the fence?
I don't think they want to.
Huh?
I don't think they want to.
Dad, was it on our fence that they were scratching? Yes, they were scratching at each other. Dad, you see the stars over there? These, like the 20s, like the